A transistor is a tiny electronic device that can do two main things: act as a switch or amplify signals. It's one of the greatest inventions of the 20th century. What's the brain behind your smartphone, computer, and even your calculators? It's something incredibly tiny yet unbelievably powerful. It's called the transistor. A transistor is a tiny electronic device that can do two main things: act as a switch or amplify signals. It's one of the greatest inventions of the 20th century. A transistor is made using semiconductors, usually silicon. There are two common types of transistor: NPN transistor, PNP transistor. Think of a transistor like a water tap. A small twist on the tap controls the large flow of water. Similarly, a small electrical signal at the base controls a much larger current between the collector and emitter. When current flows into the base, it turns on the transistor and allows a larger current to flow. No signal at the base, the switch stays off. There are many types of transistor, but the most common are bipolar junction transistor BJT, used for amplification; field effect transistor FET, used for switching in digital circuits; MOSFET, the star of modern electronics, found in CPUs, RAM, and more. Transistors are everywhere. You will find them in microprocessor, smartphone, audio amplifiers, switching power supplies, televisions, and radios. In fact, modern computer chips contains billions of tiny transistors packed into a space smaller than your fingernail. To sum it up, a transistor is like a digital switch or amplifier. It's small, powerful, and the backbone of all modern electronics. Liked this simple explanation? Then like the video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon for more easy tech videos. Want to know how computers do math using only ones and zeros? Check out our next video on logic gates.